Hello, all you crafty people. Are you doing well? We're gonna do another fall, fun fall project. Okay, we're gonna do a little bit of inking today, just a little bit. I'm hoping this works. In my head, this all will be great. But we're gonna use some more of those fun wood shapes from the Target. I love that place. We should maybe go there.
Yes.
Oh, we're gonna use Magnolia ink today, and we're going to use the polka dots. Yeah, today. All right, let's get started crafting. Are you ready? But we're gonna use one of these wood rounds from the Hobby Lobby, and we're going to put some burlap ribbon. This is from the Dollar Tree.
The $1 store.
So we're gonna ink first. We're gonna use the polka dots. See, polka dots and plaid. This comes in a big 12 by 18. You cut it apart, and voila, you have two stencils. And the ink is gonna go through this onto my backing paper, but I can clean it off after. But I think this will work. I think it will. I don't know.
I think so.
It's gonna work.
Oh yeah, that's cute. It's cute. It's cute. It's cute.
Wow, it worked and I knew it would the whole time.
Shut up. Okay, so let me just get this all like wiped off.
The ink is quite sticky.
We're letting this dry. I'm probably gonna have to get the heat gun out because it will be a little wet for just a little bit. We're gonna paint this, the clawfoot tub, like we did on the other projects this week. And we're gonna use one of these. Now I stirred this yesterday, so I don't need to stir it today, right? Okay, we're gonna set that aside. Yeah, this is still wet. I'm gonna hit it with the heat gun. The ink from Magnolia is thicker and it stays shiny even after it's a little bit dry. So don't be alarmed if it's shiny. I wouldn't use it on paper. From what I've found in my testing, you wanna use it on fabrics. You can use it on glass. Oh, did you guys see what I just did?
No, what'd you do?
Oh.
Uh-oh.
What'd you do?
I burned my stuff.
Oh no, did you bring the burn lap?
I did a little bit.
Uh-oh.
Is it burn lap?
I can't see it from here.
It's burn lap.
Oh, it made a hole in it.
That's okay though, we
That'll
have
be
enough.
fine.
It just went. So we're gonna use this guy because we want to turn it into a sign. We want to be able to hang it. I think I want to do it like here and like here maybe. Yes. And we're gonna use our crocodile. This is from the Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna use the bigger hole and it should be able to pop a hole right through there. I just bought this thing for the hole making. And it makes a perfect hole. See that?
Pop it.
So there we go. We've got our holes for hanging. So it would go like that. This is going to be really simple and clean, guys. This isn't like anything too fancy schmancy. So we're going to go ahead and figure out, I'm going to keep my burn spot
On the back.
I want it to be a little low. And we're going to do the same thing like we did before. You're going to want to go up when you wrap it around and glue it down. So let's do that side first. So we have this, and now we're gonna add one of the words to it.
Oh, that's adorable.
I think it's cute. This is what we're gonna do, see?
Yes.
Isn't that? Oh, see that? Isn't that adorable, guys?
I love it.
I think it's gonna be cute. I don't think I like that.
I almost think you turn it around.
I think I don't. Yeah, let's just do
Yep.
this.
I think you turn it around. What do you guys think? We're gonna do it anyway.
Isn't it cute? I love it. I just think it's so cute. This little thing right here, I want to give a big thank you to Target. You can get those and do some really fun stuff. So I am loving it. I'm loving it.